It's 21 minutes after 10 o'clock. Friday edition of Ask a Man. We are ready. We are locked and loaded. Somizi's here. Somizi, you well? Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, people.
I've always wanted to say this to you. Happy payday, Somizi. Listen to it. Happy payday, Somizi. Okay. Must be nice, hey? Must be nice.
Show me.
Yeah, no.
I don't know. So something about, I've lived for a long time. There was an era, I think, in the 90s, early 2000s, the money would stay and freeze.
Come on.
Now, once view once.
My man.
It goes do. Yo.
Did you not put a inflection and deflection to a sound?
Like immediately. It goes do. You view it. If you go away and you come back, it goes, picture has been viewed. That's how the salary goes in and out so fast.
Okay, it's fine. Let me go to Anonymous. It's fine. Ibambe lap.
Yeah.
Sure. I said it nicely, ne?
What?
Ibambe lap.
Ibambe in.
Good morning, Anonymous.
Morning, Lekai.
Yo, my gents are go. It's 3 gents this week. Wow.
Oh, Grandy, Anonymous.
Hey, man, okay.
It's normal. Don't worry. It's normal, my brother.
Don't.
Imagine, what people should imagine us as.
In your, imagine what?
Us as. Man, good.
Sorry.
Focus.
Yeah.
They must imagine us, when you go to a pastor, Father, forgive me, I've sinned. The pastor does not see you. You don't see them. It's dark and there's a thing that looks like a net.
Correct, or curtain or
a
veil.
Curtain. So always imagine us as that nobody sees you.
Love that.
We can only hear you, okay?
All right,
Papa.
Anonymous, I'm going to read you the house rules now.
all right.
Already.
All right.
Love your voice. Yo. Respect is a foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes, I do.
Oh, it sounds like easy out of 10, Baba. Let's go, Anonymous.
Yeah, get that translate.
Thank you, Somizi.
Yeah, Ishman, I think I'm not the lemon anyway.
Kupa bile ko dim papa.
Please, Papa, rock.
Okay, isn't it dilemma? Doesn't know where to go, back or front. Can't even tell the difference.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, OC, Kinali 6 Kinali. And also Imanon Pila, Yanagaling.
Oh, he's been seeing this lady for plus
3
minus 6 years.
Saspani, and then Ante Aspana, Glowna, taking care of me. I read to Hori. I like Horki Sharp, then I'm cheap.
Okay, so the lady wasn't working, and everything was fine until he cheated.
Yeah, so around 6 years and what happened is that a year ago, Boni Nagal and then the Golonyalong man ish waiting Kakalike Haman, Motora connect, Nelly, Motonelli, Negle best man, Ali best lady. And then when I get my legal one, Pataka sitting mono. And then I was on a Horbenumbona, Barbitally to the best man and best leader who are on behalf of Kumuli,
Yes.
And then I have a look MC now. Why did you slow it over Silicon along for a Bonavilla Panelana and when I taking Toyota go to home?
Okay. He went to the wedding. He was the best man. Then he got tempted. The lady was the best. Was the maid of honor.
Correct.
And they were matched together. And even the MC was like, "Wow, you guys, you look good together." All right. So fine, Anonymous. You justified your cheating. What happened with the with the?
Man, why ke no ke na le 1 year ke na le best lady and I motwaka wa
Aha.
hey and no a ke tso entle ke pele ke go kae ma ke go kae because ke feel nkare ke tlika thata le wa 1 year
le best makoti.
yeah it's why thinking a ke tso entle ke mara beno or na maybe the feelings like a bit got the better of me mara ke na le ke nagana ka and ke na le best lady man directly ka man ko bona mari ya kala hai go dilo le iketsa galela man we loving being in each other's space and ke ka level ish man wa thinking man a ke sa enjoy your presence ya ka le wa 6 years wa mtwa.
Okay, all right. Okay, so he's so confused, doesn't know whether to go. Hold on, Anonymous. I can translate, interpret.
Okay.
He doesn't know what to do when he's with a 6-year relationship. He thinks of the maid of honor. And maid of honor, when he's with maid of honor, everything clicks. Stove 6. Everything is nice. So he does not know what to do. All right. Anonymous?
Yeah. And so maybe another thing that I wanted to recently, what happened to the maid of honor, because I couldn't maid of honor lena hide for it.
Anonymous.
I suspect so this is what happened lena ntse fela ke kinga ke sisi gore tle go ya galanga ela ona le motho ka tlele nna wa bona di security ngana tsona tseno.
Okay.
So I will find out the gore no man o tlhokofaletse ke motho na nyetswe and then na ga ya tlhokofala.
Okay. So Anonymous, the suspects that maid of honor Tlambitsa MOH akere.
Okay.
Yeah. Maid of honor. Yeah.
Okay.
Mo. Yeah, Tlambitsa Mo. Ne? Mo, he suspects Mo doesn't know about 6 year, and Mo had a partner and the partner sadly passed away. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So and then when ya batla go hana ya no gore a ke itse gore ke a kae ke tlogela le over 6 years o ke tlogela le maid of honor or ke tlhakatlhakana ke itse gore no ke tsana le ofeng mara pele wa ka iko wa 1 year and my fear again ko gore o some na le na re itsane thata like o tshwana le.
Okay, so he's thinking of really considering going with Mo, but the problem is that they don't really know each other because it's been short. You know, so he doesn't know whether maybe it's because of my feelings or don't. Okay, Anonymous, Tshwara hanyane. Do you have pictures of the wedding? Okay.
32 minutes after 10 o'clock, we've got Anonymous on the line. Thank you so much for being patient as well. To you listening, and of course a big appreciation to Somizi for translating for us. We've got Anonymous on the line. All right, from what I picked up from Somizi, of course, thank you. Anonymous has been with his partner for about 6 years and says his partner has been an amazing partner to him, even when he was unemployed. Things are fine in his relationship, but he's been having an affair for about a year now. He met lady number 2. This is and happened at his friend's wedding. She was a bridesmaid or maid of honor. He was partnered with this person, and they immediately had a connection. A year later, he says he finds himself in love with lady number 2 and enjoys spending time with her. However, he feels guilty about what's he's been doing to his long-term partner and supportive partner at that. Both ladies don't know about each other, and he doesn't know who to choose. Am I right, Somizi?
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
So none of the ladies have found out about the other.
Hayi a go opelo a itseng
Anonymous.
ke ne ke ipotsa go mara this thing ke last or ke lerato na
last. There's no way. It's not last. It's lasted. So it means there's something there, Anonymous. So, do you have kids with number 6?
go na le ngwana o one
Okay, they've got one
o
child.
one fela a ba miscarriage
Askis.
Sorry, Anonymous.
wa pila
Askis.
Sorry.
And then, you don't have kids with Mo?
a na ngwana nix
And then does Mo have a child?
ya lena she's a baby girl
She's got a baby girl. Now we've got a baby girl.
I ke na le baby boy
You see, guys, don't. The universe.
Why?
He will bring a baby girl, she will bring a baby boy, and they become a perfect family. That universe was saying, come together.
Come hither.
Come together. You see, that's why I always say, Mina, if my partner has to go to a wedding and become a maid, a bride,
Bridesmaid,
best man,
maid of honor.
best man, I
Oh,
will
best
be
man, sorry.
his content creator. I will be next to him with a camera. I said, baby, don't worry, I'm just capturing you. I will be walking with them on the side as they walk inside the church. I will be, when they go to the bathroom, I'm like, baby, don't worry, we're going to edit it.
Yes.
Until we go home. Mina, pretend I'm not here. We are shooting your reality show. Don't ignore me. Do anything with this lady. Be free, baby. I'm not here.
So that was me 2 years ago.
You like?
My husband's best friend. Same thing. Front row.
Donkey.
Bathroom, I'm there.
Donkey. And look what you are now. Happy.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, Anonymous, these things are dangerous. So, what are we going to do with this? What do you want to do? If you had to make a choice right now, who would you choose? You're confused.
I don't want to lie. Pilaka imo wa 1 year.
Okay, let's me make my notes. Ne?
Wait, where did he say his heart is?
1 year.
MOH.
Yeah,
okay.
So, I'm gonna ask a question, and then you tell me about Mo, and you tell me about 6 years, ne? And then, like, from a scale of 1 to 10, So, from a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give 6 years in bed? 10 being great, 1 being bad.
6.
6.
Buwa phela Anonymous. Bo ukhuluma emshadweni la ukwazi ukushare. 6.
Yes.
Okay. And then what do you give Umo?
10.
8. 10.
10. Okay. Right. From a kindness point of view, kind, sweet, caring, loving, what do you give 6?
1 year or 6 years.
Or
1 year or 6 years.
No, 6 year umufa bukai.
Maybe down 5.
5. And then in 1 year?
Mufa 8.
8. All right. From a point of respect, how they talk to you, what do you give 1 year?
10.
10.
10. And then what do you give Umo?
Yeah, nangana mufa 10.
Mo, man. Mo, tell her more.
She's winning.
Right. Lastly, if you had to choose like a wife, they call wife material, somebody you see a future with, somebody who has given you security in terms of how you feel as a man, how you see yourself moving forward and building a family with, what would you give 1 year old? I mean, 6 years old?
She's a good person. She'd make a good wife.
Okay. And then what would you give Umo?
Yeah,
10. All right, Anonymous. Now, let me tell you what I think, right? Number one, okay, and you can hear English, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Number one, I honestly think it's wrong of me, number one, to even give you options. Because women are not, they're not supposed to compete. You're not the prize. You are not the prize here. Don't be fooled by me asking you these questions. What would you choose? I'm not giving you options here. Women are not toys. They're human beings.
Yes,
you are
sir.
playing with people's emotions here. You are playing with people's hearts. Right? And on top of that, I honestly don't think you bring anything onto the table other than your blood. Utlisise penis. Fail. What else do you bring on the table, Anonymous?
In terms of what? Work?
Anything. What do you bring on the table? Do you provide? Do you provide for them?
Yeah, I've been supportive to both.
How? Are you supporting them financially?
Yes.
How?
No. I was not working for the past 3 years.
Are you working now?
Yes.
Nice.
Business overseas.
And
Nice.
you're providing for both of them?
Yes.
How do you afford to provide for both of them, Anonymous?
Business, yeah, it's a very successful business. And I feel like guilty because I got this business with the help of over 6 years.
You see, somebody's being used here, Anonymous. You are using one about her intentions are genuine and when you are using her. You are not being genuine when. So you need to be genuine, Anonymous. You need to be genuine. If I had to give you an honest opinion, they don't deserve you. But the reality is you are going to choose one because you are selfish and it has to be about you. You understand? It's about you. If I had to say to you, leave both of them, are you going to leave both of them? No, not to Rakiti. Answer, my brother, answer an honest answer. If I say to you, leave both of them, are you going to say yes or no?
Sure. I don't know.
Clearly, the answer is you're not going to leave both of them because it's
I'm attached.
You're not attached, Anonymous. You are not being fair. You are really not being fair because you're not going to leave both of them because you can't even leave one, Anonymous. So
I'm willing. I'm figuring this because which one should I do? Like, how do I put it? Like, if you drop off over 6 years, I feel so sympathetic to how much she has been.
She will, trust me, she will live without you. She will cope without you. She will be hurt, but she deserves better. It's in when she does not deserve you.
43 minutes after 10 o'clock. Let's get back to Anonymous. So, Mizi, let's continue.
Wait, see, what's that?
Whoa, Anonymous, whoa.
I think Anonymous, you were still talking when we went on a break.
I also think so, hey?
What were you saying, Anonymous?
Is it a good idea, let's say, if that would be possible?
Okay.
Number one,
yeah.
She is very much grounded, spiritually. And Elena vela ke itse daba polygamy ene le ena o re nkile ka bua le ena matala fightinyana le ena ka di khonanyana ke mbotsara na will she accept polygamy na.
Okay, Papa, ke a utlwa. And has there been any polygamous marriages in your family? It's thoma ka wena. Okay, Papa. correct happy papa. Polygamy I see a ticket to buchacha. One understand? You are now trying to justify your typically philanthropical endeavors. Ubatla ibe okay for you to cheat on people. That's not how polygamy works, Papa. Polygamy is a tradition that is dignified and is done in a respectful way. You understand?
Yeah.
You don't just wake up today just because uhon and ukhaletse batho ba two at the same time and you think you're a polygamist. Polygamy, there's a lot that goes into polygamy. There's negotiations, there's conversations, and prior to you being officially accepted by the person you want to bring into the house, by the time you meet your first wife, and also polygamy yang usanyala, you're not married to any of them, okay?
Yeah.
But no, akirat serious, akirat. Can you do right, Papa? Can you do right? You've already done damage, Honaj. You've already damaged people indirectly. They don't know. Both of them. Can you do right by one of them at least? Since you can't leave both of them, can you please do right? Are you capable of doing right? You have to tell someone who this is what has been going on, and they deserve better, and don't even make it about them at any point, because it's none of them of their faults. Both of them.
Yeah.
Both of them. Because Mo Hatsibi, this 6 year Hatsibi, doesn't know. So my brother, do right. You're supposed to walk away from both of them, but I know it's not going to happen. Realistically, you're going to have to tell one of them you've been doing this. And unfortunately, knowing how most guys operate anyway, suspecting what you're going to do, you're going to tell one of them or both of them, trust me, you're going to make it sound as if you were the victim, you were tempted, you were this and that, like you explained it in the beginning, and they're going to forgive you and go, okay, not you have, I can't leave you, and then go, but are you okay with me seeing number 2? Then she's going to say, because shame. It takes a really stern, firm woman with a strong foundation to walk away from nonsense. But unfortunately, by this time, she's conditioned to feel bad by leaving, because now there's a child and stuff like that. But it is what it is. Can you try and do right by at least one of them? Can you promise me that?
Yeah, I can promise on that.
Well, promise, Papa. With phone, I'm going to call you in 2 months' time and check up on what is going on. And don't ever attend weddings again without your partner. Ne?
Yeah.
But since it's Friday, don't be sad, because now we've got an answer. You're gonna be an honest man.
Yeah, it's my negative.
You feel better, Janunga.
Yeah.
Okay, let's throw back. Let me take you back to that day when you met Mo and you cheated on mother of one. Aye! How do you feel, Anonymous, when I leave Mo moving side to side whilst Mama Wabana appear her? Happy Friday, Anonymous. Anony. Umshato lento. Istina lento.
So Mizi, we're going so nice.
I'm shying Istina. Oh Lord. All right. Send those voice notes. Call us and tell us what you think. Advice Anonymous. He needs you guys. Please.
060-552-7303. What advice do you have for Anonymous? Oh, you finished me today, so easy.
Yeah.
We got 6 minutes, South Africa. What advice do you have for Anonymous? Let's start off with Newa out in Joburg. Good morning, Newa. How are you?
Morning, Coach.
Are you well?
I'm alright, man. Somji, how are you?
I am exorbitant. How are you?
I'm alright, man.
Thank you.
I'm going to be very short.
Please.
The guy should just stop his shenanigans. Speak to his wife. His wife was able to make him a man when he was not working. He was not looking like a face of unemployment. Now, all of a sudden, because he's having a small business, he wants to venture out into some things that he doesn't know anything about. The lady lost her husband. Is he going to be able to deal with that? What if maybe the ancestors of the lady that he's with, they offered him a job so that he can look after the child, their child and the grandchild. And now he's busy playing around with that. Once that is gone, he's going to be unemployed again. He won't have a business again.
You're Newa.
Deep. Amen.
Jeez,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Let's head on over to Sillo out in Pretoria. Good morning, Sillo.
Hi, team. How are you?
Good in you, Sillo.
Good. Anonymous, just a team. Look, as men, we shouldn't behave like that. The guy should just man up. If he really thinks that he's a polygamist, he must do the right thing. Talk to the first wife, and then if the wife allows him, he then introduce the second wife, and then do the right thing. He shouldn't do these things of like he's working now, and then he thinks that he's all that. No, he shouldn't do that, because he's going to lose everything. The second one will leave him because he saw him usher in another child. So the first one is the real woman. Or can leave the first wife, will come and take the first wife. Thank you, team.
Amen.
Thank you so much, Silo. We truly appreciate your call coming through on 060-552-7303. That's our voice note line. And, of course, your phone line, 086-000-2160. Let's take a listen to these voice notes. Switch it up here. Let's hear what you got to say. Here we go. Howdy, voice notes. Let me try this. Here we go. Let's try again.
Anonza,
Here we go.
new shoes fit better than the old shoes. Now, because you bought the new shoe, you're going to see that the old shoe doesn't fit you well. It's no longer nice to you. So please make a wise decision and let that 1 year old go, when 1 year old relationship go, because it was a flirting thing. It was a fling. Now you're going to see a 6 years old that is not good for you, is not fit for you. So please just let the 1 year old go.
Anonymous is a BSer. Sorry for my language, but he must just choose lady of 1 year and leave
Yes.
the lady of 6 years
I
alone
agree.
for peace sake and for my
Yebo.
sake also, because I'm tired of this man. This is not nice. This is not cutesy.
In 300 meters.
Hi, family.
Yay.
Anonymous, you're about to make the biggest mistake of your life. One thing I can assure you that you're going to regret if you choose more. Yeah, everything seems nice when it's new. A new car seems better than the old one. New clothes seem better than the old ones. But as time goes, it also gets old. So I'd say don't leave. Continue with your number 6, with your 6 year old. Because with more, you're about to regret it. You will regret it.
So let's leave it there.
Yeah.
Thank you, South Africa. Thank you for your voice notes. Thank you for your calls. Something in closing?
In closing, I honestly think he must definitely go for more. For more. They deserve each other. And he does not have to go back to 6 year relationship just because he had to try more for him to appreciate the 6 year relationship. More does not deserve that. He must go, not more, 6 years does not deserve that. He must go to more and learn his lessons there and regret. And he deserves the pain. He deserves the pain because it's not nice for people to appreciate you after they've tasted other things. For them to appreciate you, it's not nice. People must value you without even thinking. There's no other options. It's just you. So that's why they say the one. They never say, is he the two? Is she the three? No. Is he or she the one? The one. Okay. So please don't do this to me. Please. All right.